What's going on, guys? Joel back with you for another video here on the Snap-on Tool Review. Today we are having a look at February's Hot Tools flyer from Snap-on. Let's do it.
All right, so we are going to get into this now. This would be February's Hot Tools from Snap-on. Now, again, this is Canadian flyer, and the prices will be a little bit different in your guys' area. For now, if you guys don't know, today's exchange rate, as it sits right now, is up on the screen right now. So, I know it doesn't work that way. People ask me all the time, but I do this as a gag. So, there you go. Okay, so we got a couple of boxes on the front. Take your tool storage to new heights with intuitive design, unmatched innovation, and quality beyond compare. See page 2 for details. We're going to do that. All right, so basically what they're doing is going on about their toolboxes. So Classic Series, Master Series, they're giving you the dimensions for people that do look at these things. So if you're a tall guy like me, Master Series or Epic are kind of the way to go. They also have the part numbers down there in the bottom. Epic Series, welcome to the big time. Yeah, this would be a 68. God damn, I love that color. If I was a green, if I like green, if I could do it all over again, I would probably go lime green or extreme green. This is a box for Manny though. So it's beautiful. And goddamn. No prices. Organized, personalized, customized. Step up and trade in today. Should I trade in? Should I step up? Yeah, I like my box. So here they got all the colors, color options guaranteed to make your box the best. Yeah. Anyway, next page. Let's get into the actual tools. New products to make you more productive. I don't know how a light's going to make you more productive, but I mean it does, I guess. But pen lights with UV mode. Now these were selling a couple years ago, which I got one. It looks like they've been updated a little bit, but they're now $29. I remember buying mine for $19, I think, so the prices are going up a little bit. They got more colors to choose from, I guess, this time around. Magnetic cell phone holder. Again, I don't know how this is going to make you more productive. But they're $29.95, and they come in red, green, and black. I guess if you have a hutch, this would work probably better than, say, like my situation where it's just a roll cab. I don't want my phone sitting on the side of my toolbox. I want to be able to see it. I got to see these the other day on the truck. 5-piece pivot head wrench sets. They are Blue Point, so they have 4 to 8 millimeter, 3/16 to 3/8, and then they have T30 to T50. So they have metric and standard, Allen, and Torx. So you guys can get all 3 different sizes, or all 3 different whatever the fuck you want to call it. Anyway, for a limited time, get instant rebates up to $5,000. Again, if you guys don't know how the rebates work, ask your dealer. Because every dealer's different, and but I mean, even though Snap-on does this. Anyway, on to the next one. Mobile Solutions premium carts that will really that will really move you. How many of you guys have the Epic roll cart? I'm talking about this bad boy right here. Let me know if you like it. I think it's badass, but I don't know. See, I still have room in my toolbox, so I don't really need one. However, I would just like a service cart, which again, I will be getting into a little bit with sharks. So, still trying to design one. So, yeah. Anyway, again, here we got some prices. So, let's see here. The Epic cart, $63.95. Man. Oh man. Okay. So we got all the regular colors. There are your prices right there. Could all be yours for the big amount of $35.79 a week for a roll cart. This would be great for an apprentice that has not as many tools, but I mean, toolboxes kind of hold their value quite well. So if you buy one, you can always trade it in. I mean, I've heard lots of stories where guys have traded it in for the same price that they picked it up for. Toolbox, roll carts, whatever. And so yeah, I mean, upgrading your toolbox isn't that big of a deal. Anyway, wrenches. 10-piece 12-point metric flank drive plus combination wrench sets, $426. And then you got the SAE 10-piece 12-point, $399.95. All right. And 7-piece ratcheting wrenches, and this would be the new Dual 80s, $362.95. It looks like metric and standard. There you go, metric right there. Oh, no. That is just SAE. Okay. And, okay, reversible ratcheting combination wrench set. There you go. That's the metric, $531.95. That's a 10-piece. Standard set is $277. That's a 7-piece 12-point. Anyway, and you got your 7-piece 12-point metric flank drive standard plus combination wrench set. That would be the set that I have. Goes from 10 to 17, $276.95, regular $307. Monster Impact with muscle to spare. All right. This would be, what is that, 3.5-inch drive? Okay, so 600 foot-pounds of torque. You guys know all the specs on this thing. $899.95. They don't have, oh, is this a BOGO? Well-rounded plus. See, I haven't even looked at this thing yet. This is the first time opening it up, so. All right. It's not like a BOGO deal or anything. Oh, this is right here. So if you buy 7-piece half-inch drives, flank drive, shallow impact swivel socket sets, you get the 7-piece half-inch drive SAE. So I'm assuming either or. You buy one, you get the other, obviously. Same with the other side here for the metrics. So you get the deep impact socket sets for $519, and you get the shallows for, now see, this is where they're fucking me over. Do you buy that and get those for $332, or do you buy those, the deep impacts, and get the shallows for free? I don't understand it. Someone's got to clarify that. Some dealer out there has to clarify that for me. Why is Snap-on doing that? Did it in the last one too. Pack more punch, get more leverage. I will be the first one to tell you that these... Actually, I'm probably not the first one to tell you. These hammers are the fucking cat's ass. They... I would never go back to buying regular hammers, because I do have regular hammers in my toolbox, regular ball peen wood-handled hammers. But I would never go back to buying hammers like that after you have these ball peen hammers. The 40 ounce is the one that I have. That seems like that's the size that you can kind of use for everything. And then so you buy the punch and chisel set, and you get the ball peen hammer. Again, do you get the ball peen hammer for free, or do you get it for that price? Because what's the normal regular price on that hammer? I don't know, and I'm not going to look up. Buy one four-piece pry bar set, get one 36-inch pry bar. So $248.95 and get the 36-inch striking pry bar. Again, do you get it for $162 or do you get it for free? God damn it, Snap-on! Why are you fucking me over? Complete your collection, 22-piece punch and chisel set, $629.95, and you also get the chisel holder, or the punch holder and punch and chisel holder. I don't have one of those. I should get one. I have the big set, not this big of set, but I do have a fairly big set. Okay, limited time deals. Sign up early. Reach and performance in 3 head turning colors. God damn it, Snap-on. All right. So the long green ones, or the extra long reach screwdrivers, $253.95. Orange, red, and green. I've probably said this before multiple times. When I bought my set, I didn't think I would use it as much as I do. I love that set. And of course, I have this set of screwdrivers as well, the 5-piece or the 8-piece Instinct soft grip combination screwdriver set for $205. Again, in your typical 3 colors. Why don't they make them in black? I would dig black. I would dig putting my entire toolbox to black. All the tools in black. Snap-on, if you're listening and you're watching, just make black Instinct handles. I would love it. You would make so much money off me trading all my other stuff in. 14.4 volt 1/4-inch hex microlithium cordless screwdriver kit for $54.95. So that is the 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. You know what I didn't get when I bought my long 3/8 ratchet was a bag. I just got a box. I should hammer him about that. 19-piece long power bit set, $142 to go along with your brand new screwdriver, and the 14 piece 6-inch power bit set. That's Blue Point, obviously. The other one would be Snap-on for $66.95. Next page, efficient and accurate testing for every tech in special edition colors. Woohoo! Special edition. This color right here is every tech's worst nightmare. When you get into a car, and correct me if I'm wrong, when you get into a car and it has a beige interior, that is my worst nightmare. I do not want to get into that car. I don't want to touch anything. And I mean, I wash my hands all the time. My hands aren't always dirty. I just don't like touching the interiors. I fucking just like, why do they think that specific color is good for us? I don't know. Do you guys like that color? I like the army green, or whatever color you want to call it. Anyway, auto ranging digital multimeter with the backlit color display. I do like the multimeter, don't like the color. $368.95, regular $409, sorry. Video inspection scope, $530.95. This would be the one that I would buy had I not have another one already. The BK3000 just doesn't have enough options with it. So again, I tried it, liked it, just I needed more out of it. So that's why I got rid of my BK3000. So $530.95. Advanced battery system tester, $1,100. And the carbon fiber. See, make stuff more with carbon fiber. It's nice. It looks good. It's clean. It stays clean. It's easy to clean. It's dark. So carbon fiber basic battery system tester, $278.95, and your carbon fiber enhanced battery system tester, $502.95. Yep. Quick and convenient. These weren't what we were looking at. Quick and convenient access to critical truck performance data. So this would be heavy duty stuff. Pocket IQ 2 scan tool. Blue Point, $21.95, and that's going to come with all your stuff for your big trucks. And keep pace with the industry. Heavy duty ProLink Ultra Starter Diagnostic Kit. So this is the big one for the big rigs. $38.95. Of course, touchscreen, graphing, and all that kind of fun stuff. $23.18 per week. And last page, Unshakable Confidence, now in a bold new look. The Solus Edge. It's a nice looking, I had a Solus Ultra. They didn't really change the body much. They made it a little bit thinner on the Solus Edge, but it was updated and it's a nice little unit. If I were to buy another scan tool, which I'm not going to, I would go with a Solus Edge. My personal opinion, I work at a dealership, so all that other kind of stuff, like we have all that stuff, like all the graphing and all the scopes and all that kind of stuff. We already have that stuff for Hyundai, but just a good trustworthy scan tool that will give you lots of features, I would go with a Solus Edge for sure. $49.20.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video of February's Hot Tools flyer. We're gonna keep doing these all year long. Every single chance I get to get one of these things, we're gonna be doing a flyer review. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As I said, remember to check me out on the Patreon, Facebook, Instagram, all that kind of fun stuff. The Snap-on Collector site, which has like 19,000 people in it right now. Who would have thought? Anyway, so remember that. If you want your Snap-on tool review merchandise, there is a link in the description below, as well as the Snap-on Collectors merchandise. It's always there. Intro and outro song, link, all that crap, always in the description. Mailing address, in the description. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.